In 1830, Alexis de Tocqueville wrote, and I'm paraphrasing, "The American Republic will last only until the people realize that they can vote themselves largesse from the public treasury." Basically, that's the campaign that was run in this previous election. And the people voted for the guy who promised them the biggest handout. Now President Obama, among other things of course, has said that he wants universal government health care passed by the end of the year. Healthcare reform, they call it. And I've talked to people about government health care. And everybody I talk to, yeah, they're all for it. Free government health care. Yeah, that's great. Free government health care. They think that the high quality health care we enjoy in the United States today will be unchanged, except that it'll be free. The government will pay for it. And that's the most ridiculous thing I have ever heard. Robert Heinlein coined an acronym, TANSTAAFL. There ain't no such thing as a free lunch. Somebody always pays. So if the government is going to pay for health care, you have to remember one thing. The government only has what it takes from the people. They can't pay for health care without first confiscating the money from you and me and our neighbors. Government health care will not be free. In fact, a whole new bureaucracy will have to be created to administer the program, and the price will go up. It'll be more expensive and less accessible than ever before because it'll be run by government bureaucrats. The decision as to what doctor you'll see, what treatment you'll be eligible for, what drugs you'll be able to have prescribed will be made by some faceless bureaucrats in Washington, D.C. Here's where the age-old principle, he who pays the piper calls the tune, kicks in. The government will decide. Not you, not your doctor. And it will be based on all sorts of criteria that have been cooked up by special interests who pump money into the campaigns of our legislators to get them reelected. You can bet your life, and you will be betting your life, that Monsanto and Tyson Foods will have more to say about what kind of health care services you get than you do or your doctor does. If you buy in to government-paid health care, you are simply trading your liberty for what you think is going to be a free lunch. But it isn't going to happen. It's not going to be that way. Health care reform in the form of single-payer government health care is nothing more than a move by the government to control every aspect of your life. They will control everything in the name of health care. Everything. They will literally decide who lives and who dies based on cost effectiveness. And if you think that's a good idea, you're a damn fool. Our ruling class in America wants government-paid health care because it will open up vast new opportunities for corruption. Not because it's good for the American people, but because it's good for our ruling elite. It will put money in their pockets. That's why they're for it. They won't have to subject themselves and their family to government health care. They'll have their own special little system, the same way they do with retirement today. They don't have to deal with Social Security because they have their own system. They have their own retirement program. The Congress and the Senate are opted out of the Social Security system. So they don't have to deal with it. They can pass these laws for you and me, and it doesn't affect them or their families. We no longer have elected representatives in this country. What we have today is a ruling elite. They think they're untouchable. They think they are entitled to rule over us. They're entitled to confiscate the fruits of our labor for themselves. The whole concept of public service is out the window. People get rich in government service today. How does someone become a millionaire earning a salary of $250,000 or $350,000 a year? working for the government when they spend millions on election campaigns. How does that work? Explain it to me, will you please? No, these people are not public servants. They are our rulers. A concept completely alien to the American way. And you and I, we the people, have to do something about it, or we will lose every bit of what's left of our individual liberties.